how to add non-Steam games to your Steam. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and as well as clicking on that bell icon will be a great help. So if you're in your PC, what we need to do is go to our Steam, and you would be opening up Steam right here in your PC. And then what you need to do is, in these options right here, go to the library and then go to collections. And then once you are here, you can see the games in here, and then you have a add game button right here. So if you add game, you can choose the add a non-Steam game, and you will see the list of your applications in your PC, and then choose what game would you like. And if you don't see it, just click on the browse button and browse it in your file explorer, or you can as well search it for easy navigation. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.